Hi, let's quickly see how to send a new request. A request is a checklist you send to your client. On their end, it appears as a form inside their private portal. To create a new request, you can either click Drafts in the navigation menu or use the plus icon in the top right corner of the page. You will land on the new request page. From here, you can start with a blank request or choose from one of your templates. Here, you can also see your recent drafts. For now, let's start with the blank request so you can get familiar with the editor. We'll come back later and use one of the templates when we send our first real request. In the top left corner, you can rename your request at any time. You also have the option to add your request to a folder which keeps everything organized. Just below that, you'll see 5 buttons. To add a question, add an instructions block, which is read-only for clients, create a new section, duplicate an item, or delete an item. On the left, you'll also see the outline of your request. This shows the sections along with the questions inside each one. You can easily rename sections or questions, change the question types, and mark them as required. You also have additional options to add validation, rules, and description. We've created other videos and help articles that go deeper into the editor. For now, let's head back and use a template to send a new request. We're back on the new request page with the drafts and templates. Let's use the proof of identification template to send a request. You can make any changes, edit or remove any questions, and this won't change the template. It only affects this request. Once you're ready, click Send in the top right. Choose who the request is sent from, your email, a teammate, or the company's generic address. Next, select the client. Pick an existing contact or create a new client by adding their name and address. You can also add your email address here and send it to yourself to test. Set a deadline. Then choose a reminder schedule. You'll see the default options and any custom ones you may have created. Here, you'll see the details of when the reminders go out and how they're delivered. Note that you can skip this and share the link manually. But I'll keep the reminders on so everything runs automatically. And that's it. Send the request.